Welcome to Picture Healer channel. Today we want to talk about Hulu and its meaning in Feng Shui. Hulu is also called the Chinese gourd. It's a natural fruit that has a very unique shape. They are usually dried and have the seeds taken out in the middle and sometimes have a cap or the cover on the top, so it becomes a container. You can put medicine or other liquid in the middle. In Feng Shui application, the hulu comes in many different materials. It can be brass, bronze, or wood or crystals. So there's no limit in the size and the material for the Feng Shui hulu. There are several meanings or functions of hulu in the Feng Shui. First, the sound of hulu is very similar to the Chinese word fu and lu, which means prosperity and good fortune. So the hulu symbolizes the good luck. In the ancient times, hulu is also a container for carrying medicine, so it's also a symbol of health. Hulu can also absorb the Sha Qi or collect the negative Qi in the environment, so it is a powerful Feng Shui cure. The first application of the hulu is to enhance the health and well-being, either in adult or kids. You can place the hulu beside the bed or near the door, or you can place it in the car to absorb the negative qi. And you can also carry hulu as a charm around you to protect you. The second common application of hulu is to hang it under a bean to counter the Sha Qi of the bean. Hulu is a good Feng Shui remedy if you have a couch under a bean or a desk under a bean or the stove in the kitchen which is under a bean. If you hang the hulu near the bean, it should counter the bad qi of the Feng Shui. The third usage of the hulu is to counter the number 2 star, the black 2 in the Flying Star Feng Shui. You have to place the hulu in the number 2 star area of your house. If you want to find out more of the Flying Star Feng Shui, you can check the link in the description box. We have more videos about Flying Star Feng Shui and how to locate the stars in your house. Another use of the hulu is for the 8 mansion style Feng Shui. You can place it in the Tian Yi section of the house. Tian Yi is a heavenly doctor, and hulu has the power to activate the health and the well-being. And again, if you are interested in learning more 8 mansion style Feng Shui, I have a video I will put in the description box. You can find where is your Tian Yi section according to the direction and your Gua number. Hulu has become a symbol for health and good fortune. That's why a lot of people like to carry it around and use it as a Feng Shui decoration. Unlike Feng Shui sword or lion or some other fierce animals, Feng Shui hulu is very safe to use and very pretty to look at. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.